On these screens, you're witnessing real footage from the Second World War. No special effects, no reenactments, just the raw, unfiltered reality of a world at war. Each frame tells a story of courage, destruction, and the price of global conflict. Now, let us take you back to where it all began. The Second World War began on September 1st, 1939. Germany invaded Poland, and within days, the world was plunged into conflict. What followed was the deadliest war in human history. Over 60 million people would lose their lives. Nations were torn apart, cities burned. The world watched as technology, ideology, and brutality collided on a global scale. From the beaches of Normandy to the deserts of North Africa, from the frozen forests of the Eastern Front to the jungles of the Pacific, the war reached every corner of the earth. It was a war of tanks and trenches, of bombs and blockades, of resistance and occupation. It was a war of suffering, not just for soldiers on the front lines, but for civilians caught in the crossfire. Entire families disappeared in the shadow of genocide. Nations crumbled. And yet, from the rubble, some found hope. Allied forces fought to push back tyranny. Men and women risked everything to fight for freedom. The war ended in 1945, but its scars remain. It changed borders. It reshaped economies. It redefined what it means to be human in the face of destruction. This was not just a war of armies. It was a war of people. And this is their story.